Hello and welcome to the African Diaspora Learning Channel, or the ADLC, where the goal is to empower through technology. My name is Odhiambo, and I have over 20 years of hands-on experience in the engineering, design, and manufacturing world. The ADLC is an extension of my other channel, Design and Build with Odhiambo. Check it out for more projects like this. I have added the link to the description section. You might have already graduated from an engineering school or a technical college, and now wondering if you have the necessary skills to function in the real world. This project shows how engineering, design, and manufacturing are all intertwined together. An engineer needs to have a solid understanding of manufacturing and manufacturing processes to be successful. I first looked for inspiration online, settled on a plan, and then went ahead and created the CAD models. The handle has been designed to fold via a quick release button. The entire neck can also fold back to improve storage. The upper body and base are mostly constructed out of a quarter-thick aluminum stock sheet and held together using machine screws. I wound up purchasing the kickstand from eBay. The shocks and brake calipers I also purchased. The caliper mounts was custom machined from scratch. There are basically two types of part components on this product. The float parts, which are mainly a quarter or 3/8 thick, and the other parts that are anywhere between a half and 1 inch thick. Note that only standard stock sizes were used on the entire project. All holes were also designed for standard tool sizes. I also used tab features to keep the workpiece fixated during the machining process. After machining, I cut out the tabs, then sanded down the remnants, and then hit the fiber wheel to achieve the final finish. I now proceeded to machine the rest of the parts before the final assembly.